So you're thinking about moving to Lenexa, Kansas, but you've got some questions about new construction. Can you even get a home for $400,000? Well, ladies and gentlemen, this video is for you. We're at Stone Ridge, one of the newest subdivisions being built out here in the growing Lenexa, Kansas area. You're gonna love this tour today. I'm gonna take you through two models. You definitely wanna stick to the very end because I'm gonna show you this neighborhood and some really cool features about Lenexa, Kansas. And we're gonna get after it right now. And if this is your first time on our channel and you want to know everything there is about moving and living in Kansas City and the surrounding areas like Lenexa, Kansas, then definitely subscribe to our channel and tap that bell for notifications so that you can be the first to know about the current market here in Lenexa. Hello, my name is Jimmy Zell. My wife Nikki and I are realtors with the Living in Kansas City team, and we get phone calls, text messages, and emails every day from people just like you and you and you. And so whether you're moving in 7 days or 7 months, feel free to reach out to us. All of our contact information is in that description box below. We'd be happy to help you make a smooth move here to Lenexa, Kansas, and all of these new construction subdivisions that are popping up in Lenexa. And so today we've got a great tour for you. Let's hop over to the Welcome Center and check out these amazing homes in this incredible subdivision. All right, we are at our first stop here, actually in Stone Ridge. You're gonna love this subdivision. $400,000 in Lenexa, Kansas, new construction. The range here is $400,000 to $550,000. And so a little bit about this one, everybody. This one comes in at $448,000. It's the Nikki plan, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. By the way, that's my wife's name. If you probably are on the channel, you probably know that. But anyway, that's my wife's name, so I'm partial to that. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,770 square feet. So that puts it at about $253 total per square foot. Now, a couple things about Stone Ridge as we go inside of this one is that you've got a lot of 3- and 4-bedroom patio homes here. And this is phase 1 of the subdivision. You're at about 105 homes in phase 1. But when this subdivision is completely done, folks, you're gonna have over 600 homes in this subdivision, 500 homes, and then they'll have about 100 multifamily. The dues on this neighborhood are $400 for their HOA. That covers all the green space, and then you've got like four pickleball courts that that people have access to as well. And so, all right, so let's go on the inside of this one so you guys get a good feel of it. One other thing too, as we're going inside this one, I do want you to know that not too far from here is like within 2 miles is K7, which is a major highway. It's only a couple miles away. And then straight down, you've got Lenexa City Center. As a matter of fact, our church is not that far from here, Westside Family Church. So, I mean, just a lot happening here. And so you've got Lenexa this way, and then going this way, and then you've got DeSoto going this way. So right here on this 83rd corridor, you have access to a lot of different things going into the bigger parts of Lenexa. So, all right, well, let's take a look at this one here. I love the exterior of the home here. 2-car garage. You see this come in. Like I told you, this one here is your 3-bedroom, 2-bath, a little bit smaller home. But these patio homes are great. No basements on them. It gives you an idea. You can get in here for 400, just under 450 and up. I like this one here. A great home. I just was in the office, and one of our friends is actually, I'm just crazy, just saw her in there, and they're actually selling their home and coming over here. So very exciting. All right, exciting. So you can see standard landscaping here. All right, so let's go on the inside. Okay, let's go on the inside, give you a tour of one of these beautiful homes by Arise. All right, I love these type of patio homes. so much value, especially here in Lenexa. And so come in, and now this one, just so you know, they actually are working out of this one as well, so you'll only see a little bit of that. But let's go in here. First one's a bedroom, and you can see they're kind of working here, but you've got a closet. You can see them doing some stuff in here. Just to give you guys an idea what this looks like. Got a nice bathroom in here. Love the bright colors. Nice, very nice. You go into another bedroom here. It's getting lots of storage going on in here. They're working out of here. This neighborhood is going to end up having over 500 homes. We're in phase 1 now, so it's really good in terms of getting in here. So let's talk about a little bit of the kitchen. You've got appliances in here, Frigidaire. Love the quarry countertops. Nice size pantry in here, so it's great. Double sink, very nice. And then if you look here, this is like the main living area. You got your fireplace, nice brick all the way to the ceiling. Nice, it's nice. I love this so nice open concept. You've got your kitchen right here. You know, so picture yourself right here, you know, like cooking dinner, and then you've got TV and family over here hanging out. And so it's awesome. You could probably, the way they have it laid out, it's nice, because then you could also drop a TV here potentially, or have one here, you know, since it's going to be a gas fireplace. Good stuff. Then you've got just a small patio out here. And then you move into, so this would be the master. Yeah, so master looks like an office because they're using it, but picture your master here. The reason why you can tell is because you've got double vanities, his, hers. You've got a nice big shower in here with that. Nice. Right now they've got a big soaker tub here, but you can always upgrade that to a jacuzzi tub or something if you want to. Bathroom here. And then big walk-in closet. You can see they've got some stuff in here, but big walk-in closet, right? For all you ladies out there and men that have lots of clothes, you'll love that. Then you've got your laundry room here. And so we come back out and we're back into the main area. And so, yeah, it's a great home. This one's called the Nikki. And it's a beautiful, beautiful home. And then I'll show you this real quick. And of course, you've got your 2-car garage out here. Of course, they've got some storage stuff for what they're doing in this subdivision. So, all right. So I think we got everything inside this one. All right, welcome to our second stop here. We're going to actually take you on the inside of this model. This one here, now remember this subdivision, Stone Ridge, starts at 400,000, goes actually up to, you know, most of them are around the 550, but this one is their model. They'll eventually sell this one for closer to about 600,000 because it's fully loaded. But this one actually is 594, but it's the Penelopey model, so you can kind of get an idea. But this is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. We'll go on the inside of it, 2,660 total square feet. So that puts you about $223 per square foot, which is right in line with most new construction in Lenexa. One of the things too about this subdivision, before I forget, is that you've got incredible schools here. You've got Mize Elementary, Lexington Trails, and then DeSoto High School. All of them top-rated schools in this area. And so, you know, so what we'll do is we'll go inside so you guys can see this one and get a better idea. Love the stonework that they're doing here on this Penelopey model. Love the columns. Now they've done a little bit more here. That's why they're gonna sell this one for a little bit more in terms of the landscaping. Their landscaping budget on this one's a little bit higher, you can see. And we're now getting into the first part of spring, but check out this entrance here. Love that. You've got the big grand entrance coming in, right? Stonework and brick everywhere. Nice sitting area. Let me picture yourself in this peaceful, quiet neighborhood in Lenexa, Kansas. So, all right, we'll go on the inside. Okay, let's go on the inside of this one. You guys, I love this one. This one's called the Penelopey. And, oh, wow, love this. Check that out. As soon as you come in, I love that beam. I love chandelier. It's a nice entrance when you come in. Go over here, and right off the bat, you've got a bedroom here. They're using it as an office, but you've got your extra closet there. It's nice. Love the finishes on here too. You got your coat closet as you come in. Okay, so you got first bathroom here. Let's take you on the inside. Love that. Got granite countertops here. Got granite countertops in me. Got your shower. And then you've got your second bedroom. So this is a 4-bedroom. The Penelopey is. Here's your closet. Once again, they're using a little bit of storage. Rise Homes, which is cool. I've got a surprise for you guys today on this one. So very cool. Love this beams in here. So now you come in, open concept. Love this. Let me give you guys a view of it all. So I love that. And then come in here, you can see how they've laid this out. You've got fireplace, TV there, the way they've set this nice big open area. You can see what they've done here is they've got their dining room table here, but then the bar area, of course, has extra seating as well. I love this. Big, oh wow, here you go, big open pantry. Come inside here, guys. Look at that. It's great. I know for big families, this is always a big deal. Like when we were much younger, we didn't have a big pantry like that, but this is great for hosting and serving. I mean, picture yourself cooking, you know. Oh, this got the gas. You can, of course, change these things out, the appliances and stuff. This model actually is a very popular model. You can see you've got your Frigidaire appliances here, microwaves. Wait a second. Double oven. Very nice. That's a very nice touch. So this is designed really for grateful families. I love the sitting area here. One thing before I forget though, check out these beams, huh? You just love that. The nice globe chandelier type. Ceiling fans everywhere. They have a nice little covered patio here. Kind of see that. Let me show you this real quick. Out here. Nice. So picture yourself, you know, here in Kansas, enjoying all 4 seasons. That's always nice. Yeah. Love the open floor concept. And then let me take you in here. Here's your other bathroom. Ooh, I love the tile all the way up to the ceiling. Nice. This is one of their set up their office here. You can kind of see there's Stone Ridge where we're at today. We're in phase 1. You see the map too. This is a hot subdivision for starting at $400,000 to $600,000 for the 4-bedroom. All right, so you come in here. This is really cool. You got your extra little workspace, little desk for you. Now we move into the master. Ooh, a nice big open master. If you happen to have one of those beds that you've got, you know, the big pillars, this with the high ceilings, this works well. Okay. Oh yeah, here we go. How about this bathroom? So, bathroom here, you've got his and her sink, so that way you have plenty of room for not to get in each other's way. Little makeup counter area. I love the cabinets there too. So extra storage for you. Actually, extra storage in the throne room. You got your freestanding tub here. Excellent. Nice shower. Very nice. Move into here. Huge closet. I mean, look at this, guys. Plenty of storage space in here for you. Now, this is going to be like the utility room. Yes. Okay. But they're using this for, this is the model home, but just to give you an idea. So right here off the, master, you've got another closet here. Probably, you got your cabinets, you got your sink. This is great. This would actually, now what I'm going to show you, this is what I wanted to show you all. So what Arise does is that right here, you can see, you can actually pick out everything that you need for your home here. All the finishes, the lights, windows, all the different things here. You can see them. The different, backsplashes. I mean, it looks like everything, light fixtures. You can see faucets, the whole deal. All the different chandeliers, and I mean, this is great. So right here on site, one-stop shop. Pick your home, pick your lot, do all your design. I love that. Super cool. Garage doors, exterior brick. It's extra. So this would normally be your 2-car garage here. And yeah, you can see this would normally be your 2-car garage, but because of the way they use this for their showroom, design showroom. So this is really cool. That's awesome. Love that. So yeah, so if you have questions about this subdivision, definitely reach out to us. Marlene is the on-site. We work with her and love to help you guys find a perfect home here. I think this for $400,000 range, new construction on Lenexa, with Lenexa growing the way it is a heck of a subdivision. So, all right, well, that's the inside. Let me give you some more things to look at. All right, so what do you think? Can you see yourself living here in Stone Ridge? Today, we toured 2 beautifully new construction homes, walked through their open layouts, checked out the modern finishes, and even took a little drone flight over the neighborhood to give you a full picture of what life can look like right here in Lenexa, Kansas. So let's do a quick recap. New construction homes start in the low 400s and go up to around 550,000. You'll find 3 and 4 bedroom patio style homes, perfect for easy, low maintenance living. And remember, this is just phase 1 of 3 with 105 homes already underway, with a total of 600, total homes, 500 single family, as well as 100 different ones that are multifamily. All homes are built by Arise Homes, offering 16 different floor plans to choose from, 6 3-bedroom and 10 4-bedroom options. And the HOA dues are just $400, which covers all the green space, maintenance, and gives you access to 4 brand new pickleball courts. And don't forget, you're in Lenexa, one of the fastest growing suburbs in the entire Kansas City metro, close to shopping, dining, and great schools. And so if you're dreaming about a brand new home with flexible layouts, a vibrant community, and a price point that still offers big value, Stone Ridge might just be the perfect place to call home. Let me know in the comments, do you love the idea of patio homes, or are you leaning towards more of a traditional style? I'd love to hear what you're looking for. And as always, whether you're moving in 7 days or 7 months, my wife Nikki and I are here to help you with our entire team. So you give us a call, send us a text, shoot us an email, or schedule that one-on-one Zoom. All of our information is in that description box below. We're here to help you make a stress-free and easy move to the Kansas City metro area. And as always, thank you for watching this video, and we can't wait to find you that dream home. And until then, we hope to see you around town.